Here's little Serena. She is a 3-year-old tortoiseshell kitty. She's very, very beautiful. She's a smaller cat and she is an adult. She's up for adoption at the Humane Society of Indianapolis, and she's been spayed. She's had her first round of vaccinations and she is ready to go home. For all we know, she never had a family, so if you would like to be Serena's first and most loving family, then please come meet her at the Humane Society of Indianapolis. As you can tell, she's really, really social and friendly, so she would love to meet you when you come. Pretty girl, pretty girl.